Hello, this is Casey Atchison as I fly my drone over Palisade Riverbend Park, April 14th, 2024. This is Mount Garfield and the book cliffs in the background in my hometown, Palisade, Colorado. If you're in my hometown, I now know where we're at. This is my favorite view coming up of the Grand Mesa and the main entrance right there where all the cars are. We're over the main pathway, Colorado River. We're hunting owls today. I These trees are about to bloom, all these cottonwoods, and there's a great horned owl nest up here that everyone keeps telling me to take pictures of, but you really can't do it from the ground, so I'm gonna get the drone up here. If I After I spin it around and get lost over the tops of these trees, I buzz these poor people on the ground and get over the nest, but it's really hidden, and then I get a second flight and I get a good shot of it. I'm actually over. It's on the left here, at the bottom left, with the not quite in the corner. Come over about not quite halfway to the middle, and the nest is right under these stupid branches. The people are way to the right of it, and they're looking at the drone. I will rotate here. As I move a little, you'll actually come to better view. As I move more. Come on. There we go. And you can actually see her if you hit pause, and I rotate too much. I don't know where it's at. Then I find it, and it's the next clip. So here we go. Yeah. We do another one in slow motion. Just didn't want to, couldn't get her again after today. The tree is going to bloom. The canopy is going to come in. Two little babies. There we go. Palisades owl. Thanks for watching.